Hello, okay, so can you hear me? I'm gonna use my... I have my new go live button that should post to Discord. And I'm pressing it now. Let's see if it posts. Yes, to streams, it posts. Perfect. Works. So just to show it here, I have my Steam Deck here. And I made a little go live thing here. So now I can press this button, and every time I press this button, so I need to be careful, it will post in here in the streams channel. Hello, and I hope people was notified. I would actually like it not to do the embedded thing here, but yeah, I can figure out how to avoid that. But anyway, here we are, and we're actually in a hurry because I just rebooted, so I just need to start up Unity again, but I'm actually working on something interesting today. Again, continue on the development, on the destruction thing. Happy Saturday, Amnesty. Hello, Gunako. So, since last live stream and also before that, maybe let's also switch to... okay, we'll stay with this music for a bit. But I was working on destruction, as you know, and working on getting the town map to work, some of the old maps, which is not as easy as it might, or it should be, you could say. But due to making everything networkable and multiplayer enabled. So I played around with that and tested it in the flat map, and then yesterday I tested out with just in the private beta, tested with Kel'Thuzar to see how it worked in real life with actual people playing over the internet. So and that worked pretty well. So now I wanted to test with more people. So I was asking the private beta tester group because I wanted to test it with them before I send it out to all the public beta testers. Because if it just crashes completely, there's no reason to, annoy people with that. So, so I got the idea of creating a new map for this purpose. So I just created a new map called Destruction Lab. That is basically just a copy of the flat map, and then I place one of each of, or some of them are multiple of all the prefabs that can be destroyed, because then it's very easy. It's easier for me to test it, isolate it in this map, so I know that works. Because when I'm opening up the town map, there's tons of issues. so to kind of isolate one thing at a time, we do this with construction, and it's and then we have it we can test the destruction thing and how that works, and then I can focus on fixing some of the other stuff afterwards. Oh, I forget this is you, Kel'Thuzar. Please get that back. I can't remember all your freaking... Okay, I know you don't have so many accounts, but... yeah, anyway. Fix that Kel'Thuzar account, please. Anyway, so let me just open up this one. And let's just get to... I can show the current problem. So, while this is opening, I can show you the Destruction Lab. Where we have... church and all the buildings here that we know and love and have exploded many times, but exploding them in multiplayer is a bit different to some extent. And I also have some of the mailboxes here and a toilet. I have the tree house, other houses, the big house without furnitures, because the furniture is actually technically in another so I remember it's in another, it's not part of the house itself. They are kind of just placed inside the house but under a different root node, so they stay when I switch out this building for the destroyed one, but technical thing. building, 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 building. And we also have over here, can I avoid this acceleration thing? Yes, please. That's very annoying. Hard to make kind of a nice, you know, flying around when it keeps accelerating. Oh yeah, and then we have some fences here. Whoa, I actually, okay, that's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. I set this up being like way up here, like this in the editor, and then placed them just roughly. And apparently I just nailed it completely right. Pretty amazing. Anyway, so I have the fences here because they can also be blown up. And I have the green fences over here that can be blown up, or well, we'll find out. Actually, these red dots you see here on the houses here, that's actually flame positions where flame can start from. That entire burning and flaming system, and yeah, setting things on fire, that will I will most likely also change that a bit, but that's not synchronized in multiplayer yet. I have to disable that actually right now because that was causing a lot of issues, because it was depending on that destroyed package that I am currently replacing with my own stuff to make destructible things work in multiplayer. Okay, let's see if it's open. It is. Okay, great. So let's just let's load. We need to load this one, and we need to unload this one. So first, let me just show you what the problem is. Now I'm gonna do a host on the left and a client on the right. Let's see. So hopefully in this live stream, in a short while, I will have fixed the issue that you will see in a moment. And then I can push this to the private testers, and we will join a voice call, the ones of us who have time, and then we will just try it out and see how it goes. And now, because I upgraded Unity, I can now actually do this full screen thing again, so you can better see what's going on. Okay. So here we have the new destruction lab. Yeah, there is fire, but it's not synchronized. So it's not like, you know, the host can have fire and the clients might not, or the clients might and the host not. So yeah, that's secondary. We take that afterwards. So here we are as Mr. Burns, and we go in here and then we join here. And now we will see the problem. We can also try to destroy it just to see if it works on the host actually. I haven't actually tried that because the client was failing. So as you can see here, that's good because I can see which one is, okay. So taking down the console here, we will see that fail to spawn object with hash blah blah, with hash blah 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 blah. So this found, yes. So these IDs here would be nice for me to be able, these are on the client here, over to the right. This is basically saying I as a client, I was told to spawn this object here, but I don't know which prefab that is. So I don't know what to spawn. So if it would be nice if I could on the host side, because I already have made some editor help commands here. They only work in the editor. Debug list network prefabs. So this is the list of all the registered prefabs. Yeah, in either the host or the client. But this is the host and this one is working. So here, most likely the one, now it's very long, so it can't list everything. And that's why I need to create a method where I can look up this ID, because then I can look up the ID here on the host and see which prefab specifically it is, and then maybe figure out why it's not working on the client side. Anyway, so let's do something here. But I could also see actually that it's, let me just try something. We could also, because we now have this destruction lab where things are placed like this, it's also easier to see visually which one is missing. So we could see on the client, I don't know if you noticed it, but some of the houses to the right was missing. Just stop with that stuff. So it was, so let's just do like this and let's try and refresh. I still think we need that method, so let's see if we can find it here. Debug, list something. Yes, this one. So what if we made one that won't be very efficient, but oh, these are actually not only editor things, it looks like. Weird. Let's see. So look up global hash ID. In network prefab thingy. So let's see, global hash ID. It's a it. Okay, so let's see, demo, look up network prefab. Yeah, something like that. So look up network prefab. What we need to do is that we need to find this one, and then I don't think we need to do this anymore. It was kind of, don't we just have it now here? I think we just have the global. Yeah, I think this is actually the value. Yeah, it is. So all that reflection stuff I used to do here, I don't think I need to do it anymore. We can just, we can basically just do like this. Cleaning up these because we prefab hash name, boom. Okay, and then the lookup. And the lookup, normally I would do it with kind of a hash table where we could do a quick lookup, but don't we have some? No, contains, no. Yeah, normally you would you would do a lookup in a hash set or a dictionary or something like that because it's fast, but we just do it slow here. That's fine. So basically, we just say, okay, we want to look up this global hash ID, which we got from the client, and then we can say, okay, let's find all the network prefabs here. So what is that? The prefab, and then the prefab, object, blah blah blah, and then we have this one. Okay, and then we say if network up down equals global. We can say global hash ID. Yeah, okay. It's actually called this one now. Oops. ID hash. Or maybe this is not the same. But anyway, let's see. Okay, so if this is true, we... Whoops. We just basically... Oh, thank for the following, Slim Bubble. We log this out that we found it, and then we just return because there's no reason to keep iterating when we found it. So we just do it like this, and then we know which prefab it is. And maybe we can also actually do like this, so we can click it and then get to it. So this is the context, so we can send in that game object that we are talking about, and then we can click it maybe in the console log and get to the prefab and then have a look. Okay, I don't know if this makes sense at all. Are you or have you added Lumen to the game as an option? Lumen? What do you mean? Jack? Lunken Jack? Oops. Oh, damn it. So, let's see. And let's also just, to be sure, let's just, or maybe we can, let's actually just clear this so we don't have to worry about that all the time. We're not so worried about, not while testing at least, so worried about the performance. We need to make it work first. So let's see. In games, Lumen measures brightness, lighting, realistic visual. Well, it might be a Unreal Engine thing, as Gunako was saying, but there are some. You can actually, with Gunako's better graphics mod, you can change some of the post-processing effect, and that have a huge impact on, you know, how the game looks with bloom and lighting things, and yeah. But actually, I think the light in the game is currently using the legacy render pipeline. I haven't upgraded to universal pipeline yet, or if I can actually do that. I don't know if that's. I would like to do that at some point, because in Unity 6 some pretty neat features comes in. So, but anyway, what I want to say is that in that pipeline, I'm pretty sure that the lights have some kind of lumen setting. So you provide the game with the light information in some lumen thing or whatever. So let's see. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, I think you call it lumen, but I think really it is some kind of post-processing effect you might think about. But anyway, I think I answered the question by not knowing what it is, because then I haven't implemented it. Yeah, Amnesty added 12-inch shells. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so let's see. So over here to the right, we are on the client, and it have a problem with apparently all these houses that are, you can see here, all of these houses here, there's a problem because they are not here on the client. So what do we do? We go over here and now we try the new command debug, lookup, blah, 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 blah. And then we say 36. Too large or too small? Ah, it's an unsigned. Oh, for Satan. No. It's a int. It's an unsigned int, which is a double as big number as an integer. So we try again. Yeah, okay, but I don't know about that lumen thing. Even if it's a thing in Unity, can you try and look that up? Is it maybe in the what is it called? High definition render pipeline in Unity. Maybe it's a thing there. But of course, I want the game to look good, but at the same time also, you can see the default game has kind of a silly, cartoonish vibe to it. So I'm not really aiming for realistic in that sense, if you know what I mean. But that doesn't mean that the game can't look good. And actually also realistic. Look at Amnesty's maps and fireworks and Kel'Thuzar's characters, and with some better graphics mod from Konako, you have a pretty... It's a game that looks completely different. All we are missing is the option to mod the tools, so that, you know, we can change the look of the ignition tools and stuff like that. Ignite tool. Okay. I love Mr. Bird's favorite character. Look at the teeth. It's crazy. Anyway. But this is not a part of the game. That's just a mod for fun. Okay, let's see here. So debug, lookup, whoops. Lookup, and then we say 12. Yes. Stupid me. So maybe I should do a... So if it gets down here, we should say... Whoops. Global hash, blah, 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 blah. Not found in... which is weird. So maybe that number is not the right number. Just want to see that Just want to see that it's actually the same number, but I can just do like, I can maybe debug my way in here. We can have a look. Yeah, let's try and do that. I'm just trying. The thing is that I'm gonna do this a lot. Hello, Eddie. Thank you for the subscription. Hello, Lucas. Lucas the bird. Oops. Thanks for the following, Lucas. Isn't it very low? That I think I should turn it up a bit. You almost can't hear it. Let me see if I can just quickly do that while it builds here. Let me see. Let's just make sure. So we have this. That's fine. We build it here. Go in here, and then we do like. What does this title mean? Also, Ryan, what do you mean title? Of the live stream? Destruction Lab. Let's see here, and subscription. Just turning up the volume a bit. Let me just quickly do something. Stream, blah blah blah. Alerts, and then let's refresh. Boom. Over here and here, and let's just try again. Now it's a little louder, right? At least in my end, it's louder. Anyway, let's continue. We want to get to a point where we can actually test this, right, boys? Else, I'll give it. Give it 20 minutes more. He didn't follow twice, Gonako. I was just me replaying that. I wanted to hear the sound because I don't think that the subscription sound was very loud. So it's louder now, at least from my end. Yeah, you can see that the emojis are also, as a professional streamer, I have the emojis from Twitch go as these flying faded things, like a true streamer. Okay, let's see again here. Boop, 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 boop. Debug. Look up, and then try again. Bum, 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 bum. Not found. See, that's a problem. Try again. So let's see. So what I just wanted to check here was that's because before this prefab ID hash is a new property in NGO. You didn't have access to that before, so therefore I had to do some reflection stuff to get it because it was a private thing, remember? But so I just did this now just to be sure that this global hash ID is actually the same as the prefab ID hash. But you can see here 9963 9963. So it is the same. So it is correct. So we don't need this anymore. We can just use this. But anyway, it's still very sus that it's very sus that that I can't find this. Okay, let's try and do it another way. Let's take a look at these houses because we can see that they are, we saw on the client before that it was basically all of these over here. So what's wrong with these? Nothing, basically. Ah, okay. So, they are all. So they have this new destructible behavior script, but that's not really the problem right now. The problem is this network object, but they have that just like the other ones. Like we could see that, like the big one was working, like this one. Network, yada yada yada. It's a prefab. This one, it's a prefab, yada yada yada. Okay, so destructible 2 prefab is not there. So is that in this list here? Maybe I should sort this so it was a little easier to do. Okay, let me just sort this list over here. So I have a method that, come on, that fills this out in here. Nope, that was not it. Map definition. Come on. Okay, I'm getting into the wrong one. Jesus Christ. Map definition. Come on. Why is it going to? Ah, okay. No, it is called map. Map definition. This one. Ah. Okay. Populate network up. Blah 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 blah. This one. So this is clear, and then this is next. Okay, so let's at the end let's sort it. I think we can do like this. Yeah, I assume it sorts by. Can we do something like this? Whoops. Name. Or is that too crazy? Whoops. No, we can't. Let's see. Or order by, below, just do like this. Order by, yes sir. Boom, name, boom. So is that return pure method? Return value of pure method is not used. Okay, so hopefully it just, let's just do like this. Can we do that? I just want this list over here to be sorted alphabetically. Because then it's much easier to find this house destructible 002. So let's do it here, and then we go here and we do like this, boom, and now it's ordered. So now you can see that it's much easier to figure out, and it's much easier to see that destructible house number 2 is right there. And it's this one. So why is this not loading? That's really odd, because as you can see, it works with the rest of it. Is it a SOS Unity second thing? So we have the 29. It is here. So why is it not working? I'm missing something, but these were also something I added. I just added when I did this map here. Did I forget to do something? Hello, Slim Bobo. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, let's see. Boom, bum, bum, bum. Come on. It's weird that it's doing this. If you look close now to the right here on the client, you can see that the game loads in and then it removes all the items, all the network objects, and then it expects them to get spawned via the host to the left. But that doesn't work here because it's missing, it can't find these. And that is a problem. And there's a lot, there's 27 of them. Failed. Yeah, so this is the classic error of it not knowing it. But what if we, okay, let's try something else here. What if we, on this one, do this debug so we can see what it have in its list. So it have all the letterbox. Do we have the destructible? See, it have it right here. but if we just forget about these ones, which the client for some reason apparently cannot see because it can't spawn. Let's see if this is working. See, all the furniture and inside is not here. So let's try and be host here to the left, and then I can't remember what is doing the most damage, but let's try some of this. Let's see. I need to get over here. So let's see if destruction is working. Yep. Sullivan, I like that this shell snaps to the tube. Yes, exactly. And I made that because I got so freaking tired of having to aim it in, and because in it's a 3D game, but on a screen it's very hard to see, you know, the distance. So it was very hard to aim it correctly. No, anyway, okay, so the destruction part here works. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so let me try something. I think, okay, so let's try and go over here. So the client, Mr. Burns here, where is he? Oh, here. So you can see the client here to the right. He can't see this building right here. See? So he can't see this building. Let's try something. I'm just troubleshooting now, trying to figure out what is wrong. If we try and explode this one, the building he can't see, I think that destroyed building might show up, which means that the destroyed version is registered and can be loaded. Okay, if it would blow up. It needs a little more firepower. Yeah, the destruction is working. It's this. Okay, maybe the destruction of this one is not working, but or it's just needing a lot more. Are we gonna give it a little more damage? So let's see here. Okay, so now we can see that the client, Mr. Burns here, can see the house being exploded. That is weird. That is really weird. Okay, for now, let's try I have seen something before where the client over here, that this parallel sync thing is somehow not completely in line with the main game, and that's the reason. But at the same time, it's really sus. Let me try one thing. Let me just try and open up. Whoops. Because as part of the map definition, we have all of these, which is the structural houses, so they should be registered on the client, and they were, but why are they not? Oh, why do we have client transform these? That's not necessary. They are not moving. That's a mistake. Or we can actually just do like, we can do like this and then apply. We don't want client transform on these. Because they don't move. But that shouldn't be the problem. But you know, houses don't move, so we don't have a need for that. The funny thing is that this one, Okay, wait a second. So what this one said to me was that we can maybe do something like this. I think there is a mismatch maybe between the ID and the map and in okay, let's see something. So we have this, yes, and we just for the sake of it, let's do like this, and we do like this, go in here, populate this, perfect, boom, boom, boom. And we have this one built, we have this one, unload this one, boom, and then we go over here and we reload this and we load this and we unload this. Perfect. No, we can't do that. Boom. Okay, let's see, maybe it's working now. There was this updating of these global IDs, and it's actually something that I have seen in the network for game objects discussions on GitHub and stuff like that, and in forums where we have had issues with this global ID hash that has been weird. And I knew there was a method to refresh it, but I didn't know it was a right-click option on the network objects. Let's see. If you forgot how to make mods, no worries. I hope to be able to do later in the year as a thing for the multiplayer coming out and the new mod tools coming out. I hope to be able to do a lot of videos there to get started. Oops. Okay, there's still something that is not working, but more is working now. So we're still missing the ones in the behind there, but you see some of them have been fixed now. Interesting. So all of these behind over there. Okay. Why didn't it just fix everything? Why was it only some of them? That was a little weird. No, just unload. Come. So what's wrong with these guys over here? They funny enough have this one too. Let me just check something. Okay. So we can at least remove this one because that's not supposed to be there. So is that all these presets? Yeah, okay, so they all have this. This one. And again, this client move transform thingy is not needed because a house never moves. So there's no reason to keep synchronizing its position. This one over here. Yeah, sorry if I'm missing the chat a bit. I'm trying to make this work as fast as I can. This garage thing. But this shouldn't be the reason it's not showing up correctly. So now we have all these presets, blah 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 blah. This one, gas pump. Gas pump is fine. The gas pump should be because it can be moved. So that's fine, and the cover can't be moved because it doesn't have a rigid body. This one doesn't have either. That's a bug in my script actually. Whoops. Okay, so this shop is not. Okay, this is not destructible at all. Okay. Maybe we should remove it then. Let's at least do like this for now. So here, and we have the church, and the church also have this. Why did I put this on everything? But anyway, if I just need to fix it once for all of them, that's fine. And perfect, okay. So let's see, and then we select this one and we go here, and then we go here and we refresh in-scene prefab instances. Maybe I should save it first. Yeah, there's no, well, actually I am working on a new map, but it's just for testing purposes really. It's still something that you can try out here. It will just be in the multiplayer beta. It's just to test this destruction thing in multiplayer. It's just easier for me to have this new map, temporarily lab map, that we can try on. Makes it easier. Come on, please work now. Anyway, we can say it works almost now, so I think I will just build it and put it up so people can try it out. But it will just be closed beta for now, and then if it works fine, I fix up a changelog because other things have changed than just this, and then I can push it out to all beta testers so you can try it out. But let's see how it goes. The plan, again, as I said previously, is to, in a moment, hopefully, when this is working, I'll push it out to the closed beta testers and they will join me in the stream here in a voice call, and we'll try it out live. And it will most likely fail, but anyway, let's see. So let's see how many of these houses over here will show up on the client to the right. Behind my head here. Oops. Yeah. Still some is not showing up. But at least we have the back row now. Again. So it's something with this client script and this global hash ID. So how many do we have now that is not working? We still have a lot here. But now we're down to 13 before we were at like 39 or something like that. So let's just say this is okay, and then let's just for the fun of it just try and blow up this one, and if that works, no, let's try with let's try the big one. So if this works, then I will build it and I will send it out so we can try it out. So Kel'Thuzar, Amnesty if you are here, and Gonako, stay tuned. Let's see. Yeah, there's still Gonako, there's still some of the things that doesn't show up in the client, but I will have to look at that afterwards. Right now we just want to test because most of them are here. Let's see. Whoa. So that worked. And you might hear the sound double right now because there's both sound from the host and from the client. Yes, Smithers. Okay. So, and I'm not doing any change logs or anything. I'm just pushing it out to you guys, to the private testers, and we'll test it out and let's see how it goes. And then we go to mod build tools, and then we do a standard build, and it's building. So stay tuned, Gonako and Kel'Thuzar. I don't know, is Amnesty still here? I guess not. So what's happening now? Well, right now I'm building the game and I'm pushing it up. It will be Gonako and Kel'Thuzar. It will be the same version as before. So it will be 24.5.2 again. I don't want to up the version and all that for now. Okay. Are you in the voice thing? Okay. So I'm gonna join you now, guys.
Also use.
Wait, hello. Let me just put on some headphones.
Someone with us.
So you are in the live stream now. So be careful what you say. It can and will be used against you.
Yes, yeah.
Challenge. Let's see how long does it take to get this stream banned?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not very long.
Mission accepted.
Just playing some Disney music or something like that, then it's out. So okay, it's building now. Perfect. Boom. Oh, it's
Or
done
just
building.
make a Nintendo mod that works as well.
Oh yeah, that works. So I just need to. And on the live stream, they just have to look at my face right now. So while I do this, that Upload, yes sirs, boom. Okay, so close your Steam, and then in a moment I will push the update. But it's weird, I don't know why some of them are not showing up. Well, I know why they're not showing up, but I don't know why they're not showing up.
Can you look in the private test chat, please,
Mhm.
Lumania?
Mm-hmm.
It's for my second
okay.
computer.
Yes. Wait a second. This one.
Thanks. So
Um,
I can tell it on.
No, we will just. I will push this to. I need to fix the last 13 things that are not showing up on client. But if it works now when we are testing it, and I can make that work, I'll just push it out to all the beta testers tomorrow. So people, because it's all the destruction thing is currently only in this map. Well, it's not only in this map, but yeah, other maps should still work too. But I have to. But town is removed from this version now again because it's not working at all. As you saw. Yes, sorry.
At least I took a screenshot.
Yes. Yeah, that will be fun when we meet in there in the house. But we can do it in this map. The house is still there, but it's not the real map. So
I restarted Steam.
Restart Steam now, and you should have it. Again, to the ones on the stream, I'm just pushing this to the private testers right now. So the majority of you cannot see this update yet. But once it's working, which is hopefully we'll do tomorrow, hoping, I'll push it out and you can test it out too. So how many is it? We are only 3, right?
Yeah, but check again the Discord chat. It's not working.
Yes, it should be.
Then it's my stupid second computer, I think. It's
It is that one. I can see it right here.
Okay, but I will restart Steam. I mean, invalid. Weird.
You don't have any spaces or anything?
No, it's just I think it's because I didn't update Steam for a while.
Yeah, okay, that could be. And if one of you can host, I would like to.
But Guanaco, it's not working on your cracked version.
What? What do you mean?
What? No, never.
Never.
Okay. So
I just bought it on like AliExpress. It was free, so
Got it as a bonus.
yeah.
So have you?
I'm hosting.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Just send the code in the private chat, and do the destruction lab, of course. You know you have the version when you can see this destruction lab thingy.
I'm sure I have the right.
Yes. Let me restart Steam because Steam is again.
Because I don't see the town anymore.
No, but it will come back. Promise, it will come back. That's what I'm trying to make work. Because people will expect the town to be there, and the city, and the range, of course. Yeah. But it's just like, I spent so many years adding tiny little things to these maps, and I have to redo all of them now.
Oh, and the fun thing is, I'm probably not gonna play the town, ranch, or city that often.
No. But a lot are. I think a lot will.
Oh yeah, for sure.
But the good thing is that when I get this to work, the destructible thing, it's not a beginner thing, but it's also now available for modders. Before it was a game only thing, you had to invent your own system to make it work. But with the new system, it actually can work in modded mods too. So that's nice. But it requires some work because you have to build a destroyed version of your thing in a specific way. But I'll explain in a video when I know more at some point. Oh, we made close speed. Yes, I see it. Join. Oh, you have a lot of mods in there too, I see.
Just a couple.
Yeah. But that's fine. We'll test that work too.
It's just the basic that you need.
So still not working for you, Konako?
On my main computer, yes, but on my second computer, it's a Dell Latitude that is robust, but Steam is black.
Okay.
So yes, Steam is fully black. It's
Oh, so you want to join from 2 accounts?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, to push the system. Yeah, great idea. I could also, but it's not. I don't think I have power, but I could basically also try with my Steam Deck. Oh, Bloom. Where's the Bloom thingy?
Shift and
The code worked. Okay.
Oh yeah, just make it a little darker. It's just like it's very, very bloomy in the daytime.
use Shift and G to open that menu.
Yeah, I know, but it was where the Bloom thingy were.
Yeah.
All right.
It's in bottom here. Okay.
The Steam code finally worked.
Oh,
Yeah.
why
but,
are you always?
My second computer smells weird, like really weird. It smells like hate.
Okay, you were lagging totally before, but now it's fine
maybe
again.
because I have YouTube and Twitch at the same time open. Maybe it's my Wi-Fi connection. I don't know. And Discord.
No problem. Okay, so so will you join from a second machine, or should we just try with 3 people?
It's joining. It's launching the game.
Okay.
It's so bright in your map.
Can you try and take? Not that I can see it, but if you take the network debug thingy, Kel'Thuzar, because you will have the most traffic as you are the host, so it would be interesting to see where you peak at this. Let me see if I can show it on stream here. Here in this network in the total bytes sent up here. That would be interesting.
Which one would you like? Objects, network objects?
No, the top one, the kilobytes per second. It would just be nice to know, where it's peaking for you when we start destroying things in a
RTT to
moment.
server?
No, just total bytes sent, total bytes received. The first graph, basically.
I would say it's like 0.
Yeah, right now it's like nothing, but in a moment when we start destroying things, it will go
Now
up.
I would say it's like 10 kilobytes.
Yeah.
5. It jumps between like 0 and 15 currently.
Yeah. But as soon as we start going, whoa. Okay, let's start with one building and then move on from there. Hey, Lucas player.
Lucas player, yes.
Well, we have never seen each other in the house here. Let's go into the big house. Where are
There
you
was
guys?
Lucas the bird, and now there is
Oh.
Lucas player. It's empty.
Yeah, but that's what I said before. It's in all the furnitures and interior thing is in another object, not in the destructible prefab. Technical
Let's
stuff.
start with little things.
Yes. Whoa.
No. It's
Where
too big.
Kel'Thuzar? Where are you?
Now I get a bunch of errors.
Lucas player
Okay.
wanted to start.
Unable to
Oh.
erase objects 186.
Yeah, but it's most likely be. But they stopped now, right?
Not on my side.
I would
fine.
say yes.
But I think it was because Konako just deleted something. Okay, you just deleted.
I can delete things on this version.
Yes, you should. Do you get an
Oh, different message. A lot of different.
Yeah, but I think spawn. I think these are coming. These yellow ones, they are coming from all the red ones at the top, there are like what was it, 7 or 9 objects that it can't spawn on a client for some reason. That's what I need to fix. And due to that, you are getting this yellow one because I think it's trying again and again for some time.
I get a bunch of red arrows.
Yeah, saying what?
Oh look, it's so cute. Oh,
whoa!
Not so cute.
Whoa.
Not so cute. Not so cute. Not so cute at all.
Okay. Somebody placed something on the first floor, I guess.
Yes.
That was me.
Oh, okay.
No, that was me.
Okay. Oh, they're all.
What a little shell.
And the 1 second I'm not looking, the house is gone.
Yes.
It was a little shell. So
but it's
shell.
working. It's working.
Yeah, but too much because a shell. I don't think a shell does that. I don't think.
But it triggered something on the first floor, I guess.
Yes, probably.
Yeah, and maybe I can remember. Maybe I can't remember if I put the. Yes.
La 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 la. Hey, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! I like this update.
Now we just need some ragdolls, an in-game voice so we can hear each other fly around.
And then VR, so it will be crazy.
Okay. So only some tween silly errors. That's no problem. Mainly because I don't care.
Invalid destroy. SM propane tool 0.
Yeah, I get that too. Destroy a spawn on a non-host client is not valid.
What if I take like a
okay, so apparently I have some destroy code on the client somewhere.
Oh, that wasn't a good idea at all.
Oh, there goes the.
No, stop. Ah, wow! My computer can't even join.
But it's not like of
It's
course
not
the
like-
FPS goes down, but it's not like it doesn't feel like it's lacking. And but again, we also in a
Objects went up to 600 kilobytes.
yeah, but for a very short while, man.
Yeah, now it's down already.
Monaco test has joined.
Oh, cool. Oh, there's some.
Oh yes, my computer smells like fire.
Okay, there's something with.
Oh my god! Oh, what did just happen? Why? Wow! Everything is. There is a problem with occlusion killing.
Yeah, I know. I just see it. I see it too.
Oh, that's bad. Ooh.
But I think maybe it's. Is there a house here? Kelsa, on your. Are you here, Kelsa? That's you. Okay. So, what do you see here where I'm standing now?
I see a big blob of dirt.
Okay. Great.
There.
Okay, but for some reason it didn't remove the game still thinks that the house is here. So that's why it keeps showing. You can see these things are not rendered because the game thinks that the player can't see this over here, so it's not rendering it because it thinks there's a big house here. But
The
apparently
fire
there's
is
not.
too good with better graphics mode.
Yeah, maybe I just forgot to rebuild the occlusion data after I did something.
Let's finish it.
Yes, just let's blow everything up. Blow up.
I already played. 3, 2, 1. I destroyed I think the 5 or 6 house at the same time, and no lag, so it's really optimized. Wait. No. Yes, you said that the clients can take the debris. Okay.
Yeah, you can take them up. But I think it's okay. It's I haven't looked into it. Maybe I can make it work, but if it doesn't work right away, it's not a big problem, I guess.
MANIA. I need to destroy that church. I need.
Do it. Do it.
It's yes. It's my cat thing. I need to destroy it. Oh, I need to destroy it with teams. Teams.
This is gonna
It's the National Teams Day. Adios.
Oh, the Carlson is going crazy.
Adios. Boom. Wow.
Wait, there goes the church.
Oh yes, no church.
And
I
it
will-
just the highest peak was 500, so it's
I
not
think-
that bad.
Okay.
And there is no really lag on the network. so
Like
that's
package sent below and package received is higher. That went up to 800.
Yeah.
good. Yeah, but I can still spawn things in like really quick, so there is really no problem with network lag.
That's nice.
That's good.
Yeah. That's
Yes.
very nice.
Yes.
Yeah, and of course I had a FPS goes down when everything goes crazy, but that's normal.
Yes,
And I'm also running OBS and camera and all that stuff.
but even
And
me,
I just
had-
don't have that FPS window open, and I didn't notice anything.
No.
So I just
I don't have it open either. I could just feel it being slow just when the church went up and all my Carlsons went up, but I also spawned like 40 or something like that.
But that's very good. Oh my god, I think you cooked my second computer. It's like white. It's the screen is white.
Mm.
Oh,
Nice.
yes, it's cooked. Oh no, it's back. It's back. I can move. I can. Wait, it's flying. Okay. Okay, it was quel tout ça.
Okay, but there's
But you
also
really
some
need
other
to-
issues
to
here,
fix
but
that,
that's fine.
Debris that clients can take,
Yeah, but I'm not.
Spider-Man, I'm flying.
because I really want to take that part of the church just to rebuild it and destroy it again. Oh, there is.
Oh,
a...
you're flying.
There is teams. I know it's Carson's. Oh. Wait, it's a boomerang.
Oh, there's still some houses left. Okay, I at least need to rebuild the occlusion data. I think that might be the problem because I didn't have this problem when we tested yesterday. I don't.
I
think
was
we had
fine.
this one. Yeah, it was fine.
But I remember we're not able to break one building, so it might be that one.
Yeah, but it can't because it looks like it's multiple ones here now, and I don't think it's the same problem. Oh. Oh, and the toilet was broken too. Yep, I didn't actually.
Why
test it.
doesn't light up? Lights? Light? Oh, okay, it does. I know it's someone else that light it up.
I did.
Okay, whoa. That's cool.
We so need ragdolls too.
Imagine the nuke on multiplayer.
Yes. Yeah, Panini was working on it for a bit, but I don't know if he ran out of time or something like that. Or maybe he's waiting for multiplayer being
But
more
it
done.
was working on multiplayer. We can
Yeah,
use
but it was
on
buggy
the
too.
trigger.
It was throwing some errors and stuff like that.
Yeah, but only for the trigger when it's dropped. It was working manually.
Hmm.
I don't think Panini will fix anything for the beta.
It's,
No, exactly.
Most likely he has to redo it after it again
Exactly.
anyways. So.
And it's totally
Yeah, it's
understandable.
not worth it.
But yeah, I mean, the light from this map kind of feels a bit like I'm
Okay, you cooked my
in
computer.
the summer in like the north of Norway.
Maybe it is. We don't know.
Because I mean, you don't need a flashlight at all.
No. No, but it's just the lighting. It's just a change. So you can change that. So firework still works. We had some errors, but I will look into that.
You just cooked my computer. It's only thing.
That's what I do best. Any buildings left? Nope.
No, that's sad.
Nope. Everything is out. So I could basically just copy all of this I have over here and just replace it a couple of times, and so the map was completely full. But
Oh yes. Yes.
yeah, but I want to keep one of each just for testing purposes, you know, so we can. It's easier to see, you know. Okay, this one is not working, or this one is not working. What is that?
Oh, it shows it for you from the wrong side. That sucked. That was bad.
Oh, it's not a firework.
Fail.
Yeah, I just saw the description there. I was like, what?
Wahoo!
Oh, that was really nice. What was that?
What?
The one you had in your hand?
Yes. This?
Hmm. Let's see what it is.
But wait, he did something weird. I forgot. Woohoo! Woohoo! Fire!
Oh, try. Do we have? We don't have. Can you try and spawn a bunch of these in this one? Just
Oh,
place
yes,
them
yes.
statically inside of it. The ones you just had in your hand.
The thing that I just used?
Yes, spawn like 10 inside of this, just static, right click.
Yes. Freeze it.
But Biotech, that FPS box, I don't know if it's fixed. We can have it running
No,
up
it's
here.
not.
But
I got it again. It's boring. This bug is really the
you have it now?
most boring bug I ever seen. I got it like a few days ago.
Yeah, but this version you are playing now is in a new. The Unity version haven't been updated for a while. This one is a new version of Unity.
Oh no, I don't have a problem with
So-
FPS right now.
so-
It's like a.
But the problem is it
130.
doesn't. It seems like it's coming like, you know. It's not always.
Yeah, but it's kind of quick. I think. When I got it, it's like max 1 hour. So.
But anyway, let's try and no more. I don't know how many you spawned, but let's see.
A lot.
Okay, this might lag.
What?
Yeah,
What
okay.
is he doing? Look at Kel'Thuzar. It's a magic.
Oh, magic carpet. Yeah.
It's Aladdin. Wow. We need to clip that.
It's Aladdin.
Yes, it's Aladdin. This blue dream.
Can I join? Okay, wait, stop. I need to stop. Okay, I'm on. Yes. Whoa! Damn it. Stop.
You just have to keep running.
Yeah, but you're too fast.
I just clipped it on Twitch.
Wait. You're too fast, Kel'Thuzar. Slow down a bit.
Magical carpet. Kel'Thuzar, come back here. It's
Okay,
a
now.
magic bus.
3, 2, 1,
No,
go.
I can jump. Let me in. Let me. Let me fly with you.
Oh yeah,
I
walking
want
is better. Walking is better.
No, my blue dream.
But Biotech lagging it with built-in fireworks. So what you're saying is that you get the FPS if you've used a lot of the built-in fireworks, make it lag, and then it never comes back or something like that. Because actually we just did
those
that
fat.
before.
Shoot them down.
Wait,
Shoot them.
wait, no!
Ah, Attack! Woohoo!
But we can try and do
Attack him!
Whoops. Just quit.
Woohoo! Oh, it's World War III.
We try and do like this. But Biontech, if you know how you can recreate the bug again and again by doing the same thing, please do a bug in the Discord and describe what you're doing. Because I would really like to be able to reproduce it. Problem is it's very hard for me to check because it seems to happen randomly. At least I haven't figured out what causes it yet. Whoops, okay, he's shooting back now.
Woohoo! Boom! Attack!
Placed too high up. Oh, damn it. Way too far. It's just raining fire.
I have mine. Hehe. Oh, whoa, it's not stable. It's not stable at all. Up, 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 up. I'm flying, I'm flying, I'm flying, flying.
Ah, damn it. Too low.
It's really not stable.
It's a drunk carpet.
Yes, really drunk.
Okay, but anyway, the conclusion is that it's working, but I can see that I still...
It's kinda working really well. Oh, but
Yeah, but there's a
Keltusa
lot
is not
of
on the
errors
carpet.
still.
Keltusa is not on the carpet anymore.
Still a lot of errors.
Maybe we start the game? Not the game, the map.
No, but I have to go anyway, so it's
Okay.
fine. It's fine.
Whoa,
Oh, okay, it just moved. What?
Wow. Casual multiplayer game.
Okay, it's just a ball of smoke.
Who did I hit?
Me. Okay, but the conclusion on the destruction test was that it actually worked. Okay, Biotech,
works
cool.
fine.
Cool. I'll take a look tomorrow because now it's movie time with wifey, so I'm out. But I'll see if I can fix at least the initial issues, because I think the issues of the buildings or the things missing when we joined this destruction lab thing might cause some of the problems later, or some of the other issues. But I also think there is something that is a different thing. Uh-oh.
No, it's fine. Don't worry. It will be quick. Kinda quick. Really quick. Sadistic. Quick and sadistic. I like that. It's loud. Oh my god. Oh wait, is it still working, this thing? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I think you locked it. Keltusa, is it possible?
What do you need?
It's the fountain. Yes, serious Sam. Unlock it. Yes. Ah, the trampoline. Wait, how did we did it? It was like this, I think.
Did we just... Yeah, something like that.
Like, the famous trampoline.
Yeah, the fountain, trampoline.
Whoa, whoa, it's still working really well. Whoa, 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 I'm in space. This is not a bug, this is a feature.
This is a feature. Because we all know if you jump on a fontaine, you will do like that.
Yes, the best bug feature ever seen.
Oh, there was a lag.
Hey, you can park here. Whoa, whoa, what is that? What's this? Keltusar self-promoting his mods.
It's not mine.
No, this one. That's a little bit too much.
But Biontech said that if I do this, my FPS will stay down after that, so...
Ah, okay. Okay. Let's see.
What? I don't understand.
Mine is up again. I think I was like on 44.
And it's back at 60 FPS again.
Yeah.
The only way it can stuck your FPS is that if he has infinite particles that stays and doesn't despawn but are just invisible.
Yeah, but I think what he meant is that he can recreate on his machine. It's recreating that FPS bug if he's doing this. But it could also be because the bug maybe have been fixed by Unity. I don't know. Because again, as I said, this is a newer version of Unity than the one that the game is built with in the current public beta. So that could also be it.
Try,
We can hope, but to be honest, I don't think so.
Keltusar, can you clear the map, please?
Clear the map. I don't think there is a lot of stuff.
But because my FPS are kinda down. So
Yeah, but that
maybe
sounds. That is exactly what Biontech is saying.
Yeah.
Okay,
Works
try and
fine.
do. Guanaco, try and do something. Try and go into the settings and go in. Yeah, go into settings and just hit apply. Don't change anything. Just hit apply.
No, nothing changed.
It's the same. Okay. Because mine is up again. I don't have a.
Can you try clearing just to see?
I've been spammed in the console.
Yes.
With what?
But yes, now it's not spamming anymore because I cleared the console. But
Yeah,
I
but
don't
if
know,
it's
like,
if it's spamming, then it would come again right away if you clear it.
yeah, but let me go back to menu to see. Yes, I have the FPS bug.
Oh, by the way, let me try and stay in. I'm also quitting, but stay in, Keltusar. I just want to rejoin. Just want to see.
I have the FPS bug in the main menu.
Okay, so it's not fixed. But that is exactly what Biontech is saying. If you go, but that was what Keltusar Biontech was saying, was that it.
I know exactly what he was saying. I know the bug, but
Okay.
as I said, it didn't work on my machine. Like
Okay. He just said that he made a post, but I haven't looked. I thought you might have looked at that post.
That's why I choose the double deck, exactly the one that he wrote in his post.
Oh, there was
So here you can see what I'm talking about. If you look at the stream, the fire is not synchronized. So when I quit and join again, it actually synchronizes surprisingly quick. All the debris and all the destruction and everything. Like you see a window right here, right? Who is
If you
there?
check my screen, there's no fire.
Exactly, and there's no fire, but that's because the fire starts over because it's just spawning stuff. You see a window right here, right, Keltusar?
Yeah, but you can fix it kinda easily.
Yeah, there's a
Yeah, okay.
It's the easy fix, no?
Yeah, I know. I just haven't done it yet.
Yeah.
But it's just
Okay.
to tell people that, one of the things, because the fire is not synchronized, it starts over when I'm joining. So I see fire now. Gonauka do because he just joined, but Keldusa is not seeing the fire. But we are seeing the window, and it's surprisingly how
I
quick it
just
is.
see 3 flames like over here.
Yeah.
4.
But I think it's because they are never burning out.
Yeah, that's, I guess.
But these are now. So now they're gone away. But all the debris here have been synchronized when I joined. That's pretty nice. And it's an important detail because and you would think, oh yeah, that's how it works in game. Yeah, but it's not how it works in game unless you do something for it. But if you look at the stream now, I'm zooming out. You can see all these debris here have been synchronized when I joined now. I really like this one. It looks so nice, by the way.
The one thing that you can be sure that it works in a game is that the game crashes by itself.
Yes.
That most of the time works.
Yes. So we have some occlusion issue, but besides that,
I really like it.
what is this firework? What is the name of that one? Is it this one?
It's Hyper
Mason Rainbow. Okay.
It's cool. It's colorful, and with better graphics mode, it makes it even more colorful.
Oh, and we have to search. Nice. Oh.
Yes, my search feature that everyone
Yes.
on every servers I join randomly say it was a good feature.
Yes.
So it didn't take me that much time to code, and it was a good feature. Oh. I guess it's amnesty mode.
It is.
But my FPS are going so down.
But that's not the surprise, I mean.
Yeah, it's not a surprise.
It's like the same, like the people that say like, oh, why my game is loading so long? Maybe because you have 700 mods installed?
Yeah.
Yeah, my FPS are going down, but it shouldn't be that down. It's because there is a FPS bug, but
Yeah, but mine is, for some reason, this one is also heavy on my machine. My FPS is down to 30 now.
If you go back to main menu,
No, I think it's this firework. I think this one is doing something.
The Biontech.
Let's see.
I'm at 50.
No, it's coming up again now, and as they are despawning.
Yeah, but mine is stuck at like 60 FPS, and it should be 144.
Okay.
And now it's 70 FPS.
I'm at 144 again now.
No, not me. So
I'm at
I guess
60
my
and
computer is, my
that's
computer
because
is,
I have...
It limits to 60. Yeah.
but maybe it could be also I have my hack tool, so maybe I think it has some issue.
Yeah, okay, your hack tool is also, so
Yeah,
maybe
my hack
your FPS being down, I'm not taking that too serious because
yeah.
you are doing things, so it can
Yes.
be anything. But when other people are saying it, I take it a bit more serious.
Yes. Don't take it account. I know it's.
But it is a problem. It is a problem,
Yeah.
and because as Biotech is saying, he's not the first, and I have also experienced it, and I've also seen the bug. I just haven't figured out how to reproduce it.
Oh, same. I had it as well.
Yeah. Anyway, I will quit now and close the stream because now it's time to watch a movie. So thank you for stopping by, and
That's a good reason.
yes. So let's. I hope I can fix it tomorrow and then push this to everyone so they can try it out. Yeah. So see you in the next stream, and bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. I should make like a shortcut for the game that only launch the game with my